Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy M21. So Samsung Galaxy M21 was announced back in March 2020, and because of the lockdown the sales didn't actually happen on Amazon. So now we have the device with us, and this device comes with pretty good hardware for the price segment. Let's see how it stacks up against the competition. So in this video we'll first do the unboxing of this device. So it has decent specification. So this is under the M series. So we had the M31 launched a few months back. Now you can see that the box does not have anything mentioned here, and we have the midnight blue variant, 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. There is also another variant with 6GB RAM, and this is priced around 12,999. The pricing has been increased because of the GST increase. It's selling for around 13,200 on Samsung's website, but you can get a slightly lower price on Amazon. So this is the Samsung Galaxy M21. It has a massive 6000 mAh capacity battery. It has a Super AMOLED display, and it's powered by the Exynos 9611 octa-core processor, and we have a 48 megapixel camera setup as well. So that's the camera aspect. Now let's unbox this. So we'll just open the box and then we'll show you what all comes inside the box package. So let's just take this out. So you can see this is the Samsung Galaxy M21. So we'll keep the device aside for a minute. So you can see Samsung Galaxy M21, the blue variant. We have the 15 watt charger. So this is the 15 watt fast charger which is bundled with the box package. So let's see the voltage rating. So you can see that 9 volt 1.67 ampere, and also 5 volt 2 ampere. So that's the maximum. So you can see that it is a 15 watt charger. Then you have an USB type C cable included, the standard charging and data syncing cable. It's a USB type C cable. Then let's see what else comes inside. So we have a box inside this as well. So you get a SIM ejector pin here, and then let's see what comes. So there's no case included, so that's kind of weird, because most of the smartphones now do ship with the case. So this is the warranty and quick start guide. So no case included with the box package. Now let's have a look at the device. So now we have booted the device. So this is the Samsung Galaxy M21 with the 6.4 inches AMOLED display. So being an AMOLED display, you can see that the colors are really vibrant and looks really nice, crisp colors. The viewing angles are also again really good. Samsung's AMOLED panels have been pretty good in terms of the quality offered. So you can see that the notch display, it's a U notch, and the bottom bezels are also slightly on the high side. We have the USB type C port at the bottom section. Then you also get the 3.5mm audio jack included. Then we have the speaker unit. On the left side, or rather on the right side, we have the power and volume keys included. The left side has the SIM tray, and the top does not have any openings or slots. So it has a triple rear camera on the back. We have the fingerprint sensor as well, LED flash. So we'll talk about the triple camera. It's a 48 megapixel primary sensor. Then we have an 8 megapixel sensor. Along with that, there is a third 5 megapixel sensor as well. This is f2.0 aperture, and we have front camera has a 20 megapixel resolution, so that's a selfie camera, and f2.2 on the front panel, and it has a full HD plus resolution display and a 6000 mAh capacity battery. Now we'll also see the software of this device. So let's just take software. About phone, you can see that the software version here is, you can see the about phone. So there you go. You can see the software version Android 10, and One UI is 2.0 on this device. So that's the latest version of One UI. So let's see other options. So you get the dark mode as well. So something which has been quite popular on all the smartphones. So you get the dark mode here as well. So this is powered by the Exynos 9611 octa-core processor, and it has 4GB RAM as well as 6GB RAM. Two variants are available, and this is quite a decent performer, but it may not have the high-end processing abilities like the Redmi Note 9 Pro or the Realme 6, but it's a decent processor here with the 9611. Now let's have a look at some of the camera samples we have taken with this device. So just opening the camera, you can see that it has all the options included. You can see video recording, the stabilization is supported, electronic image stabilization is included. You can see the video resolution maximum is 1080p or rather Ultra HD is also supported, 4K is supported, that's quite good. And you also get the image stabilization, and photo mode, live focus mode is included. Then apart from that, you get other modes as well. So here are some camera samples we are taken with the Samsung Galaxy M21. We'll be coming up with a detailed camera review soon, so stay tuned for that. Now this device also comes with a 6000 mAh capacity battery with 15 watt fast charging. So we'll also be doing the charging test on this device, so stay tuned. So that's all guys with unboxing and hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy M21, which is priced just starting around 13,000 rupees in India. And there is also another variant which is priced, which has a 6GB RAM, which is priced slightly higher than this variant. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.